Good morning, guys. I have been working all morning. It is time to stop working and start working on something else. I'm going to do Abigail and Rafael's bedroom today. It's right next to Abigail's bed. It is, well, I went and got some Oops paint at the hardware store, and it is yellow. It's probably very yellow, and it's probably very old because it has a little off-colored rusting on top. Eggshell enamel. I'm actually hoping that this is not stuff I have to use turpentine to get off my stuff. But I'm going to put it with white and make a very pale yellow wall because the room is gray and it is depressing just to keep it gray. Hopefully I'm going to get something like this. This is the darker. I have hiccups all day, every day.
Hey, Mommy.
This is a lighter. Thank you for putting that away. All right, thank you for putting it away, Abigail. So anything's gonna be better than that. And I already sanded lightly. Just knocked it down really. So I have to sweep that up, but it's not a perfect wall, so it's going to look very imperfect anyway. And I wasn't going for a very smooth because I'd be here for about 3 weeks doing it. So let's get started. So I got my white trim paint. This is like construction paint. It's very cheap.
Yeah.
Oh, hi B.
Hey.
Contractor paint. This is pretty. I don't mind this, but it's a little too bright, you know, and it dries darker. So we're gonna use that.
Yeah. Can I use this?
Bloop. Really only have one chance to get this right, or else I'll have to mix up a whole new batch. I put a lot of yellow in there actually, and it's not very yellowy, is it?
It's yellow and it's not very yellow.
Just want it very pale yellow, but not this pale. Okay, I have to keep mixing.
Andrea's been doing a lot of projects while I was gone, and I guess it didn't go so well. Well, one project for a very long time, actually, the painting the wall in the kids' room.
I'm on my 6th coat of paint in the bedroom, and it's only one wall, but it's taken me hours. It's ridiculous because I will never buy contractor paint ever again. But this clashed when I recovered the chair to tan. It clashed because this is yellow and that's tan, and it didn't look good together.
You can see the differences.
Can you see the difference?
Yeah, it's a little darker.
Good, that's what I was going for. So I'm just making this one darker. But they didn't have gel stain at Walmart. So I got regular stain, and I'm hoping that this chair is already polyurethane. I'm hoping that it'll just somehow chemically bond to the chair and not wipe right off. I think it'll work, but yeah. I'll just let these dry and see how it is.
Maybe 2 or 3 coats. How long does it take to dry?
Probably like an hour because it's got polyurethane on it. So it's not sinking in to stain it.
That's your
That is my alarm.
This table is done as well. And that's what this looks like after. The one is darker than the other, I think. A little bit. Finally getting all of our charger items organized. All these cables are going to be gone.
Yes, I need to clean up to get a reward place for the zombies too. Kill the zombies! Boom, boom, boom!
But before you do that, the zombies, what exactly are we cleaning?
The whole living room!
So I'm not going to show up before because it's a little embarrassing, but they're halfway through. And Abigail's been playing all day, and this was just flooded with toys, and Rafael helped like a big boy, right?
Yes. And Abigail didn't get a reward because she hid toys. She hid the soldiers.
We don't speak bad of other kids or anyone else. So you put it there?
And then I found it and I put it in here because my box was a little too small for all those.
And do you think you deserve the reward because you helped?
Yeah.
So what we did, it's usually called a contract. I said you do something, you did it, and got rewarded for
Me
it.
cleaning up all these pillows. This is a floor pillow.
If you're wondering why that was noisy over there, because she's playing. All right, Abigail. Okay, little monkey. You're playing and Rafael is working? No wonder Rafael is getting rewarded and you're not. But yeah, Rafael has a good reward system. Don't ask for much of him, but that's not his job. And he gets rewarded for helping. And look how nice he's doing it too. Love it. Well, I wouldn't like the pillows to be on the floor, Rafael, because it's a little dirty. We have to clean it. It's a job well done. Meanwhile, this is how it turned out. This is as least messy as possible. And what we have here is potentially an 8 or 9 port charging station. This is a charging station organizer for 6 chargers. We have the drone charger with 2 ports on it extra that I can use. Multiple drone charger for multiple batteries. Got a GoPro multiple battery charger, and that 6 port which holds 3 phones usually. Mine, Andrea's, and my legacy phone. We have a tablet charging, and I made enough space for the camera to charge as well. I want you to tell me what you think about this drawer right here, this cubby. What do you think about it?
That cubby.
Yes.
All those boxes.
Your honest opinion, what do you think about it?
Good.
Why?
Because we helped each other and it looks nice.
Why does it look nice?
It has 8 holes and there's 2 that are not filled yet.
So you like it because it's organized?
Yeah, and there's 8 holes and 2 of them are not filled. Look. This piece is 1C. When he tells me to give 1C to him, I give it. Doesn't matter which 1C it is. There's only 2 1Cs. There's a tablet, both of Daddy's phones, or maybe one of them's Mommy's. And that's Daddy's camera. That's all Daddy's stuff. And one of them's mine, which is a tablet. Oops.
And you like your tablet to be charged?
Yeah.
You understand this is a charging station now?
Yeah.
But what do you have to do before you take the tablet out of there?
Unplug it. Yeah, I need to unplug it. Are you telling me to do it? Hey, look. One of these holes are taken by a pesky kitty crawling everywhere. I'll show you how to unplug it. You just take it out of there. It's all the way at the back almost. Because your phone's behind it. I didn't know that. You unplug it and you know where the turn on thing is? When you see this over here, that's where you go. And then you see this button over here and you press it. Or you have to press it for a bit long and then it goes on.
What's the charge on it? It's probably dead, isn't it?
It was charging. Is that a fast charger?
Yeah, but I just now put it there.
Oh. So, that means I have to put it back in charge.
What would you like?
Eat cereal.
I'm not gonna give you cereal, but I can make you something to eat. Would you like Daddy to make lunch?
You know what, Daddy? Yeah. I'll see how much charge now. Because when you plug it in, it shows you this. That's when it's turning on. Turns on for a while and you can read the charge.
You know who you're beginning to sound like a little bit?
Who?
Tell me.
Abigail.
No.
Shut up.
No.
You.
Who do you begin to sound like? You remind me of someone.
Who is it?
Who is it?
What's this?
What other kid your age, very intelligent, that you watch?
You mean Eliana?
You watch on TV.
Who is it? It's a charge day.
It's not charged?
Oh. Did you see it turn on for a while? Did he flip it over? Yep, this is where it is. There.
I think a contact might be a little bad on it. You see how we injured it?
Contact might be bad.
One contact touches the other.
Is this one of the contacts?
Well, what I mean is contacts in here, because he shattered all the way up here.
Anybody call you to reschedule?
Nope.
So the charge comes out of it? So
Let's
the charge
see.
comes out of it and goes into a different phone or something? You see it in there? Is it all the way in there?
It's not something we can see.
It's in there. I can see it all the way in.
Well, we'll get back to this later.
How much charge? How much charge?
1%.
Daddy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. I'll turn it off. Alright.
Thank you.
Now I can get your phone for the reward.
Well, we're gonna leave in a minute, so put it back. And I'll give you the reward when we come back.
Shut itself.
The doors electronically shut themselves. I left the car running the other day. It's blinking at me again. I had a warning light, you know, the triangle yellow, and it said that my doors were open. So I was like, what's going on here? And I stopped with my mom. So she get out. So we figured out that it is the power electronic doors that are doing it. I didn't know these doors were electronic, okay? And I was trying to put something in the car and the door shut on me, and then I was trying to get my keys out of the back seat on the floorboard, and it pushed me out of the way. And I'm like, oh my god, I could have been crushed to death. I don't think it stops. I don't think there's a thing on it. That's completely dangerous. There was a recall on this vehicle for the electronic doors, and I don't know if they made it child safe or not. Are you crying?
Yeah. Daddy happened.
Oh, my children. We're gonna go to my mom's house right now. She has a building full of stuff. She has a yard sale like 2 or 3 times a year. Yeah.
Before. Why are you driving?
It's her mom and Daddy.
Huh?
It's her mom.
It's my mom. I'm gonna drive. Anyway, she has a yard sale 2 or 3 times a year, and she puts new stuff in it all the time. I'm not gonna film it probably because it is probably completely full of stuff right now. It is not yard sale time, and this is when she, like, this is her hobby, you know, it's fun for her. So it's not yard sale time, and it's probably completely full. So I'm not gonna film it, but everybody who comes out there just loves to come out there, and people wait for her yard sales because it's a pretty big one. Well,
Where is he?
they were playing together, but he left. He left. The dog left. What you got?
I was going to pump the tires up. Rafael wanted me to take one out so he could ride it.
Oh, okay.
Can you?
Hey, doggy. Come here. It's a trained dog. Partially, probably. Knows how to sit. You good, doggy? Yeah, you good, doggy?
Good doggy.
Yeah, but he's a little, pit bullish. Can't be messing with him.
Pit away.
It's a she, anyway. Don't run.
Oh, doggy.
Well, come walk over here, I feel. Comment if you can. Share the videos.
New job, because they open, they have all new stuff.
Challenging except for the roads. It's much harder to cross the road here, and you really do have to wait for your green light.
They all are very good looking. I probably don't have anything you want though. Looks really good.